Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a client who's coming almost 5 hours away for me to install a hair unit. Hello Clara.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm good.
How was your drive down? Because it's raining outside. Was it okay?
It was good.
You have right much hair everywhere. Your problem is right up here.
Right.
So I'm going to pretty much be making your unit today. Okay. I didn't know whether you wanted a unit that incorporated with your hair. When Clara changed her mind and decided that she did not want a custom hair unit that I was going to design for her, and instead chose the simple installation of a closure wig, I stopped taping. Oh my goodness, was that decision a mistake or what?